morning, boys and girls. I hope you are well. I hope you had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week in guided reading, we will be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of some of our reading strategies. So the one that we like to use a lot is our eagle eye. That is when we look at pictures in the book for clues to help us say a word. Our second one we like to use is our stretchy snake. That is when we look at the letters in the word, we stretch out the sound and we go back slowly and say them all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. So I'll have a go, then you have a go, and then we'll do it one more time all together. Ready? Milkman. Milk. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Milk. Milkman. Good job. So the book that we're going to be looking at is called The Trunk and the Skunk and Other Stories. So our book is called Ron Rabbit's Big Day. So boys and girls, this is what our book will look like on Oxford Owl. Don't forget that you have access to this now. Let's have a read. So Ron Rabbit's Big Day. Ron Rabbit has a new job. He is a milkman. Ron has to get up at 6. The sun is not up yet. Ron fills his van with milk. Then he sets off. Clink, clink. Mrs. Jessup needs 1 bottle of milk. Ron dumps it on the step. 2 bottles for Miss Quinn. 3 bottles for Mr. Chang. Mr. and Mrs. Preston have 10 children. They need 10 bottles of milk. Ron is getting the bottles from his van when he sees a man. The man is creeping along. Is it Mr. Preston? No, this man is not as thin, and he has a big black sack on his back. When the man sees Ron, he runs. Stop! Yells Ron. He runs after the man. Ron trips the man up. The man drops the sack and Ron grabs it. The man runs off. In the sack are lots of things. A clock, a pink jug, a big cup, a green lamp and a cash box. Ron rings the bell. Mrs. Preston is cross. I was asleep, Ron, she says. But then she sees all the things, and Ron tells her about the bad man. Thank you, Ron, says Mrs. Preston. Mr. Preston rings the cops. The cops catch the bad man. Ron gets a medal. Now I have finished, go all the way back to the beginning and have a read for me. You can rewind the video to listen to me read it again, but if not, try and read it on your own. Boys and girls, you should be finished reading by now and onto your Kahoot. To access Kahoot, you can type it into Google at kahoot.it, or you can download the app from the App Store. So your pin for your first quiz is 0972127. Press enter. Your quiz will look like this. You have 4 questions. To join the game, enter your name, press OK, go, and then complete your quiz. Once you are finished, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a photo through Class Dojo to show that you have completed the work. Enjoy and have fun.